Welcome. I'm Aurora J. Miller, and this meditation is designed to help you overcome feelings of overwhelm by identifying the one next right thing to be done. So often we feel overwhelmed either because there are too many things to do all at once, or there's nothing we can do that will make a difference. So, by identifying the next right thing and doing it, we can reclaim our feelings of autonomy and personal power. This is what I call an active meditation, so you can follow your body wherever it leads. Eyes open or closed, sitting or standing, it's all good. Whatever feels good to you and will help you feel present to this exercise. We always want to start with some breathing, getting connected to the feelings in our body and getting some extra oxygen to our brain. So let's breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Once more in and out. Last time. Now, this next part is up to you. If your eyes are closed, you'll use your imagination. If your eyes are open, you can physically look around yourself. What is one task that takes less than 15 minutes to complete that would feel good to do? There's no right or wrong answer, just whatever comes up. Often, the most helpful activities to reduce feelings of overwhelm will be ones that improve your body, your relationships, or your environment. A bit of cleaning, reaching out for conversation, a nutritional boost, or a quick walk. The small things that have great positive impact. The primary goal here is to help ourselves feel less powerless. If we can improve something in our lives, we're not helpless, right? We may not be able to do everything, at least not all at once, but we do still have skills and tools and talents and abilities that we can put to use and make a difference. If we stack a bunch of small things together, they become a big thing pretty quickly. But small things also help our nervous system feel safer and better able to cope, which is why we start small and build from there. Once you've made your selection, the task that you want to do, tell yourself how easy it will be to get done. Quick, straightforward, maybe even fun. It is less than 15 minutes after all, right? And how good will it feel afterwards? Now, is there anything you need in order to be able to do that task? How can you support yourself so that immediately after this meditation, you feel totally ready to get up and get it done? Here's the important thing. After you do the task, congratulate yourself. Pat yourself on the back for pulling out of the overwhelmed state and doing something meaningful. This will help retrain your nervous system so that you're less likely to get overwhelmed in the future. Then you get to decide what is the next right thing, which may be to do another short task, or maybe to rest. Whichever you choose, do it with intention and satisfaction, knowing you deserve to feel happy, accomplished, and successful. And whenever you're ready for more science-based strategies to help you live a happier life, come back to aurorajmiller.com.